This video is based on your assignment number 26 and we are continuing with lines and angles. What I have done in this video is I have solved many questions based on lines, and let's take the first one. I am taking your exercise number 14A. Question number 3. The sum is done in the exercise, in the assignment. However, I am going to explain it to you how we are coming to the answers. Let's take question number 3. In the given figure, AC is a straight line. Find, there are 3 things to find. So, from the question, what we understand is that AC, so this line is a straight line. So, in a straight line, what we understand is from the angle formed from here till here is going to be 180 degrees. Straight lines are always 180 degrees. And this straight line has been divided into 2 angles. You can see the first angle here, the measurement of which is given as x plus 25. Similarly, there is another angle formed here where the measurement is given as 3x plus 15. So keeping these two in mind, these 2 angles in mind, we can say that when I add this angle and this angle, the total gives me 180 degrees. So keeping that in mind, I can say, okay, let's look at a figure. The first angle, that is x plus 25, which is here, which is given here. If I add this and the second angle, that is 3x plus 15, the total comes to 180. So this is how I get my equation. Now once I get my equation, 90% of my sum is solved. So all I have to do is add x and 3x, which will give me 4x, plus 25 plus 15 will give me plus 40. So 4x plus 40 will give me 180. In the next line, 4x will be plus 40 moves to the other side. It becomes minus 40. 180 minus 40 will give me 180 minus 40 gives me 140. So 4x is equal to 140. X will be equal to 140 divided by 4, which will give me 35. So this is what they wanted us to know in the first place. Find the value of x. In the second question, they have told us to find the angle AOB. Angle AOB, if you look at the figure, is x plus 25. I already know the value of x, so substitute that. X is 35 degree, so 35 degree plus 25 degree will give me 60 degree. Similarly, if I look at the next one, so you will see we are supposed to find angle BOC. Angle BOC is already given in the figure as 3x plus 15. So substitute that. 3x will be 3 into 35, which will give me 105. So plus 15 here, 105 plus 15 will give me 120. Moving to the next sum. That's your question number 4. Find y in the given figure. Now, in this figure, AOC or AC, this one here, is a straight line where I understand from here to here, the measurement will be 180 degrees. But that straight one has been divided into 3 angles. You can see very clearly here. It has been marked. 1 angle, 2 angles, and the 3rd angle. The measurements are also given as y for this one, 150 minus x for this, and x for this. That means when I add the 3 of them, I am supposed to get 180. So I have added the 3 of them, y plus 150 plus x, the 3 of them will give me 180. Now you can see over here that I have a plus x and a minus x on the same side. So those 2 can be removed. So finally I am left with y plus 150 is equal to 180. So y will be equal to 180. Take the plus 150 to the other side, becomes minus 150. So 180 minus 150 will give me 30. So the value of y is 30. Another sum here, question number 5. In the given figure, find angle PQR. Now if I look at it carefully, PQR. So I am talking about this angle over here. It looks like a right angle, but I cannot take it for granted that it's a right angle, because nowhere in the question does it tell me that that is 90 degrees. Neither does it show me with a small box. So we cannot just take it for granted. We have to prove that that angle is 90 degrees. Now, the line SR is a straight line, which means from here to here it is 180 degrees, and this has been divided into angle PQR, angle PQT. That's this one here, where the measurement is given as 20 minus x, and the third angle here, SQT, is given as x plus 70. But when I add the first angle, the second angle, and the third angle, I know that I get 180 degrees. So that's exactly what I have done here. Angle PQR plus angle PQT plus angle TQS will give me 180 degrees. I don't know angle PQR, so I am leaving it like that. Angle PQT already given in the figure as 20 minus x, plus angle TQS is given as x plus 70. So I am substituting all of them is equal to 180 degrees. So angle PQR, now if you look at it again over here, minus x and plus x can cancel. So angle PQR plus 70 plus 20 here will give me 90 here. So angle PQR plus 90 is 180. Angle PQR will be plus 90, moves to the other side, becomes minus 90. 180 minus 90 will give me 90 degrees. So now I have proved that angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees. Another question that has been done. In the given figure, P degrees is equal to Q degrees is equal to R degrees. Find each of them. The figure is given like this, and this seems to be a straight line. So what I understand is from this point to this point is 180 degrees. But that 180 degree angle has been further divided into angle P, angle Q, and angle R. But we also understand that P is equal to Q is equal to R. That means all three angles are equal. I can say in my equation, P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degrees. But I also know that P is equal to Q, which means I can replace Q with P because they are equal. So what I have done is, instead of writing Q and R, I have converted this Q into P, R also into P, so that I get similar variables. So P plus P plus P will give me 180 degrees. P plus P plus P is 3P. 3P will be equal to 180 degrees. So P will be equal to 60 degrees. Now we understand that this angle is equal to 60 degrees. But we've already said that all three angles are equal because P is equal to Q and is equal to R. So I can say that the angles, since P is equal to 60 degrees, Q will also be 60 degrees and R will also be 60 degrees. Moving to another sum. Here, question number 7. In the given figure, x is equal to 2y, find x and y. Now this time I have to find both the angles. It's given in the figure that the two angles are x and y. From here, I understand this being a straight line. I understand that from here to here, it is 180 degrees. So x plus y will give me 180 degrees. But I also understand from the question over here, x is equal to 2y. So when I am saying x plus y is equal to 180 degrees, from the question it is saying that x is equal to 2y. So I have replaced x with 2y. 2y plus y will give me 180 degrees. 3y will be 180 degrees. Y will be equal to 180 divided by 3. So that will give me 60 degrees. So I have found the value of y. Now I have to find the value of x. So when I want to find the value of x, I know from the question that x is equal to 2y. So substitute that. I already know the value of y is 60. So put that there. So 2 into 60 will give me 120. Next one, question number 8. In the figure, B is equal to A plus C. Please keep a note of this. Find the value of B. Now the figure is given like this. I understand that this is a straight line. So from this point to this point, the angle is going to be 180 degrees, where I can say that A plus B plus C, when I add the three angles together, it should give me 180 degrees. So that's the idea I'm using here. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. The same thing, I have just twisted it a little bit to make it convenient for myself. What I've done is I've brought this plus B in the front. This A I've taken it here, and this plus C remains here. So B plus A plus C will give me 180 degrees. After all, it's A plus B plus C will give me 180 degrees. Now from the question, I understand that B is equal to A plus C. So if I look at this part of the sum, A plus C. Now I know that A degrees plus C degrees is equal to B degrees, because in the question they are saying B is equal to A plus C. So instead of writing it as A degree plus C degree, I will convert that and write it as B degree, so that I get similar variables again. B degree plus B degree is 180 degrees. So 2B will be equal to 180. B will be equal to 180 divided by 2, which will give me 90 degrees.